Refrigeration HVAC exam practice question set 18. Number 1. How to verify rotation of three-phase motor prior to startup? Answer: phase sequence indicator. Number 2. How is coil of high impedance lockout relay wired? Answer: in parallel with safeties. Number 3. When adding or removing liquid refrigerant from water source heat exchanger, allow water to circulate in order to? Answer: prevent tubes from rupturing as a result of freezing. Number 3. Heat anticipator is set up how? Answer: using ammeter to measure current through all loads connected to the W terminal. Number 5. Relative humidity within ice rink is? Answer: low to reduce fog. Number 6. Door of walk-in cooler requires? Answer: safety latch or knockout panel. Number 7. At startup, an 8-cylinder compressor has how much percentage of full load? Answer: 25%. Number 8. In the heating cycle on a heat pump, the head pressure is higher than normal. What's the remedy? Answer: increase indoor airflow. Number 9. When installing new evaporator, what to do with nitrogen charge? Answer: release the pressure. Number 10. Heat pump using underground closed loop, what's it called? Answer: geothermal heat pump. 11. How to confirm operation of furnace high limit safety shutdown? Answer: unplug indoor fan and allow system to run until safety opens. Number 12. What is the operating temperature of R410A with evaporating pressure of 125 psia? Answer: 125 minus 14.7, 14.7 being the atmospheric pressure. We have 110 psig, and then using a PT chart, we get the temperature at 110.3 psig, and we get 36 Fahrenheit. Number 13. The maximum pressure when brazing with acetylene is? Answer: 15 psig. 14. Last question. Which connection requires dielectric coupling? Answer: copper to black iron. Okay, share knowledge, help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Here's a link to my blog. You can find all the other topics in my blogs as well in this link. Cheers and have a good one.